Welcome to 5 Minute Friday, everybody, where we share our best tips and tricks to help you get just a little bit better every week. And this week, we're not giving tips and tricks at all because yesterday was July 4th, Independence Day. So today, we're just calling this episode Merica the Beautiful. So we're going to list a couple things. You came up with a couple things. I came up with a couple things that we love about Merica.
Merica. Yes.
All right. So age before beauty, please. You first.
I don't like that. All right. So.
And he goes.
Got it. Baseball. I mean, come on.
Yeah.
Baseball.
Baseball.
Yes. That's the American pastime. I love baseball, man.
Playing it, watching it, all of it?
All of it.
All of it, just every part of baseball.
I like watching baseball.
Okay.
I like going to minor league games.
Yeah.
I'm playing some softball, which is like
Hey.
old man's version of baseball.
Have you hurt yourself yet?
Not majorly.
Not major.
Minor. Little aches and pains. We'll give you that. But nothing big. Nothing big.
Yeah,
Arm hadn't fallen off. No pulled hammy.
I saw a hat earlier this morning that just had the Advil logo on it.
Yes.
It was like an old man dad hat. I was like, man, I need this. That would be great for a softball team.
Yeah, baseball. All right. So
baseball. That's good.
Baseball.
Okay. Sidebar on that one. I'm reading the Savannah Bananas, like the guy that founded the Savannah Bananas, Jesse Cole.
Yeah.
I'm reading his book right now. It's Fans First. So stinking good. Guys, go read that freaking book.
You gave a tip.
Oh my God. Did we actually just make this valuable?
We just ventured into value. Dude, okay.
Wow.
No, get out of here. Get out of here.
We're not allowed to do it. Okay, all right. Here's my next one. Deep fried Oreos.
Fair food.
Right? This is the sort of stuff that no other nation wants to touch, okay? But us here in America, we'll deep fry anything, all right? We'll deep fry Krispy Kremes again. At the fair?
Yeah.
We'll deep fry anything. Deep fried Snickers, deep fried Reese's Cups. Dude, you name it.
Krispy Kremes are not deep fried.
Well, they're not, but they'll deep fry them.
But they will deep fry.
They will deep fry them.
I give you.
They actually have a hamburger too. Have you seen these? It's the Krispy Kreme bun.
Yes.
That's that'd be my next kind of thing. It's like, look at that.
It's immediate death afterward.
Come on, man. Like, nation sponsored by diabetes. Anyway, Eddie, go ahead. What's your next one?
All right. My next one is
Ridiculous.
I love our tradition of playing with small explosives on 4th of July.
Oh, yes.
I'm in a nation that celebrates a day by playing with small explosives.
Can we talk about how much money is spent? Like, I have known people that will go out and spend a couple grand on the 4th of July to buy explosives and light those jokers up. And I almost watched, actually, no, it's not 4th of July unless somebody lights one of those like tube things, you know? It's got the big freaking mortar in it.
The mortar, yeah.
And then the tube falls over and fires at the people. We had that happen a couple years ago at the lake.
Yeah.
And I'll tell you what, I have never loved America more than in that moment of seeing my life flash before my eyes.
Hey, I'm going to tell you, be careful out there because there is a lot of accident that happens around these. But
again, we're not anti-safety. We're very
not at all
pro-safety. Like we want you to be safe, but also have a good time. You know what I mean? Like, so yeah, get the Roman candles out, light them up, start having a battle with them. It's a good time. Anyway, not recommended. Okay, my last one. You're going to like this. Pool beer. All of mine are food related.
Pool
beer. Okay?
Just beer to pool.
Beer while you're in a pool.
Inside the pool.
Huh. Pool beer. All right? That is just, while you're wearing your American flag swim trunks, you know?
I have a question.
Yeah.
All right. Do you have...
In your wicker hat?
Yeah. The dad wicker hat?
Yeah, of course.
I got one of them.
Yeah.
Do you have the floaty?
For the beer can?
The beer floaty?
The beer floaty?
Yeah.
I don't have the beer floaty, but fun fact, the Yeti, like the little koozie, the super, super fancy koozie.
Cost $900.
Totally worth it.
Bear proof.
It's bear proof. It is. It is bear proof. That actually kind of floats. Like you kind of have to stabilize it a bit, but no, yeah, it works out. But dude,
Can we link that
pool beer
for Merica?
a beer floaty?
No. Can we link
Yeah.
the video that we just referenced on the show?
Oh, the You Betcha video?
You betcha.
Yeah. Oh, You Betcha? Yeah. No, yeah, we should definitely link that.
I think so.
That's the invention of the
You guys
Yeti
need that
cooler.
in your life.
Anyway,
There's a tip. There's a trick. There's a little value add. We didn't even try.
we didn't
even try today.
That's how good we are at this,
Did you
y'all.
showed up for a
Just happened.
4th of July on a 5th of July.
Also, I
that
think
you're listening to on the 7th of July because you didn't listen to a podcast on Friday. And if you did, good for you.
Well, good. Yeah, good for you for being here. You should probably get your pool beer and, hey.
I hope you're not working today.
Yeah, let's not work today. And if you are working, just go ahead and leave.
Or go play with a small explosive. Or find a baseball game. Or fried Oreo. They're the good things, man. Go play with This episode is getting flagged for that thing.
Well, guys, thanks for joining us this week. Go destroy something awesome with a Roman candle and a couple 5 gallons of gasoline. It's a good time.